Transforming this corner into a comfy reading nook, which is also a perfect way to create a cozy vibe in living room, has become my favorite go-to spot in my home. But every time I look at it, I feel something is missing, some nature element. So to complete the look, I thought of adding beautiful fox twigs. But the quick tip here is try adding fairy lights to the fox leaves twigs. It will not only look fresh, also it will brighten up your space. So if you're curious to know how it looks, do watch the video till the end. Meanwhile, to finish the complete look of the corner, I quickly made a DIY mat. It only requires coaster, self-adhesive mosaic tile, acrylic paint, and glue gun. If the thoughts of mosaic work brings up images of painstaking, cutting, and mess, then this is an alternative to make. Nowadays, there's a wonderful self-adhesive tiles are available in market. The ones I'm using were also self-adhesive, but I removed the adhesive foam so that I can put the pieces individually. So finally the corner is coming alive with an accent chair, making the living room feel more comfortable, with a small side table, mini carpet with the statement lamps, addition of nature elements which will always make it look more inviting, and finally to complete the look, the DIY mosaic mat. I hope you enjoyed this decor idea to make the most of your corner. With a little imagination and some decorative items, you can add functionality, style, and beauty to your living room. So tell me, what do you think? Did you like the small changes I made to my living room? Your thoughts are welcome. And if you like this makeover, do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for my next series, which is all about craft shops I like to visit here, plus tutorial. See you until next time. Take care.